Hello, everyone. Welcome to NobleMind Cast, where stories spark the mind and shape your future.
Hey, everyone. I'm Alex Rivers. Welcome to NobleMind Cast. Today, I want to talk to you about something really special: how to start speaking English. Yes, if you are a beginner and you feel a little nervous, this video is for you. I promise it will feel easy and it will feel good. Many people dream of speaking English. They want to talk with friends, travel, or get a better job, but they stop before they even start. They think, it is too hard, I will make mistakes. My friend, I want to tell you, every single person who speaks English well started exactly where you are right now. Let me share a short story with you. Last year, I met a girl named Maria. She came from a small town and she knew only 10 English words. She felt shy, she felt scared. But one morning, she said, "Today, I start." She did not wait for the perfect time, she just began. Every single day, she listened to simple English podcasts. She listened slowly and she repeated the words out loud. At first, her voice was quiet, but after 1 week, her voice became stronger. She smiled in the mirror and said, "Hello, my name is Maria. How are you today?" It was simple, but it felt amazing. You see, starting is the most important step, and you can start today. Here's how you do it, step by step, like a good friend. First, listen every day, just 10 minutes. Put on a podcast like NobleMind Cast while you walk or drink your morning tea. Do not worry about understanding everything. Just enjoy the sound of English. Your ears will get used to it, I promise. Second, speak out loud. Yes, talk to yourself. In the kitchen, in the bathroom, anywhere. Say the easy sentences you hear. I am happy today. This is my favorite day. It feels a little strange at first, but it's the fastest way to speak better. Maria did this every morning, and her confidence grew so fast. Third, use one new phrase every day in real life. When you buy something, say, "Thank you. Have a nice day." When you meet someone, say, "Hi, how are you?" Small words, big results. These small moments, they add up. Fourth, be kind to yourself. If you make a mistake, smile. Mistakes are not bad. They are your best teachers. Every good English speaker made hundreds of mistakes, and they kept going. You are strong enough to keep going too. Fifth, celebrate every small win. After 1 week, say to yourself, "I did it. I started speaking English." Feel proud, because you are doing something brave. My friend Maria, after 30 days, she could talk about her day in English. She made new friends online, she felt free. And the best part? She told me, "Alex, the day I started changed everything." You can have that same feeling right now. So here's my promise to you. If you listen to this podcast every day and you speak out loud, in 30 days you will feel different. You will speak with more confidence. You will smile more. English will start to feel like your friend, not your enemy. You are not alone. I'm here with you. NobleMind Cast is here with you. Start today, not tomorrow. Say it with me right now. I am starting my English journey today. You did it. I'm so proud of you. I'm Alex Rivers. This is NobleMind Cast. Subscribe and see you tomorrow. Keep growing your mind.